Expedia Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Expedia Affiliate Program and my experience using it. Links to sign up and learn more are in the description below. Expedia is one of the world's largest travel booking platforms, offering flights, hotels, vacation packages, car rentals, and activities. Their affiliate program, managed through the Expedia Group Affiliate Program, EGAP, allows travel bloggers, website owners, and content creators to earn commissions by referring users to Expedia's platform. Expedia's affiliate program provides access to a wide range of travel products, making it an excellent choice for those in the travel niche. Affiliates can earn commissions on hotel bookings, vacation packages, car rentals, and more. The program offers various integration options, including deep linking, customizable search widgets, and a robust API for more advanced setups. This flexibility allows affiliates to seamlessly incorporate Expedia's offers into their websites or content. One major advantage of promoting Expedia is its strong brand recognition and global reach, which enhances trust and increases conversion rates. The commission structure varies depending on the type of booking and the region, but hotel bookings tend to offer the highest payouts. The cookie duration is typically 30 days, meaning you still earn commissions if a user completes their booking within that time frame after clicking your link. Expedia also provides detailed analytics and reporting tools, helping affiliates track performance and optimize their strategies for better earnings. However, there are some downsides to consider. Commissions on flights are usually lower than hotels and vacation packages. And since Expedia frequently runs its own promotions and discounts, final commission amounts can sometimes fluctuate. Additionally, affiliate support can be inconsistent, depending on your location and traffic volume. But overall, the program remains a solid choice for travel-focused content creators who want to monetize their audience with a trusted platform. If you're in the travel niche and looking for a reliable affiliate program with high-converting travel products, Expedia's affiliate program is worth considering. Check out the links in the description to get started and maximize your earnings with Expedia today.